Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be planning the last week of March in my catch-all planner, which is the Deep Botanical Planner in a classic size from the Happy Planner. So I'm just going to pull my pages out and we're going to get started. So we are planning the week of 27th of March through April 2nd. Okay, so here we go. I am going to be using one of the newer sticker books and one of my really fun girls I printed. So give me a moment and I will pull her out. So this book is very, very neutral, and I thought how fun would it be to add with like a neutral girl as well. So I'm gonna start with the girl and kind of build around her. She already exists in my vision board, so she's not a new, sorry, this is wrong. She's not a new introduction to my life, but okay, so I'm gonna add her right here on a Sunday, right in the corner. Okay, so there she sits, and then we're gonna work with this planner, with this sticker book. So this is the Celestial Elegance. I think she is so elegant, so I'm gonna kind of plan around her with all of these stickers from this book. So first of all, there is a sticker, I think that says like dream or something that I remember from flipping through. And look at these, like they're such a different shape. I really like it. I'm gonna find like a long box for there. Where can I go? Oh, good, I have checklists. Okay, there we go. This is cool. Okay, so maybe I can put this somewhere here. I'm just gonna grab my correction tape. Also, if this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. So this says, live by the sun, love by the moon. So we have two first elements. I thought that was kind of fun. I really do like this. Okay. And I like this magic is within. And I think this fits over here. So I'm going to place it down on this side. Let me know if you guys have used any of the new sticker books yet. If you have, which one? What's your favorite? Are you saving your favorite? Because, well, we're all kind of sticker collectors at some point or another. I'm trying to be less of that. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw that I have an obscene amount of stickers, you guys. I really do. I'm not even going to say that I don't, because I do. Not all the stars belong in the sky. I'm gonna put this right here. I don't know. I'm gonna cover this, and it kind of feels right for me. Okay, I think that works. And I can do a shorter to-do box up here. This is a good one as well. It says define your success. I might pop it up here. Or I might actually not align it. and just do it right underneath Thursday, maybe like so. Okay, yeah, I think that's a good sticker. I'm gonna go back and find these to-do checklists and then do some of these. Oh, I'm gonna bring this lighter wonder onto this. Ooh, so sticky. You guys can tell these are brand new stickers because they're so sticky. Dear Lord. Okay. Aim for stars. Okay, I think this is good. Yeah, I think I like how this looks. Could have used this one, but oh well. It's done and over with. Okay, so here we have these checklists, and they actually align with the colors of the girl as well, which I like. So I'm gonna place some of these around, and then we're gonna do some boxes, because who doesn't need boxes, right? But I do like these little, like, they're completely different shaped, so I really do like them. The only bummer thing about this is they don't give you like any small stickers. I'm gonna find ones that match, and I'm gonna put them in for my work schedule. Maybe let's start with like a gray. So I'm gonna put it right here, and then press it down. Okay, maybe I'm just gonna do it here so I could put more decorations on the bottom. Okay, let's add this. Yeah, if you guys know how many books you have, how many like value sticker books you have, let me know. I am nosy and I want to know what your collection is. And by value sticker books, I mean like this. So it's the 30-page book. I am very, very nosy, so I want to know. I think this time around, I'm going to put all of the checklists right in the middle of the pages. No, I'm doing it super slanted right now, but that's the only way I know how I put these stickers straight. So, took all of this. Let me add like this light beige to this side. I think that's gonna look good. Okay, so all of these are done. Now I'm gonna grab like the Mojo Jojo, this sticker book, and I'm gonna see if I can like match any of these colors. Kind of the gray, so I can grab like maybe one of the gray. Maybe I can do one of the black. I need 4 for my work schedule, you guys, so that's what it is. And let's see, the browns don't match, but maybe I can grab another one of this and then do another gray one that actually matches. What do you guys think? Okay, so I'm gonna play with this and kind of put this one right here. I'm gonna grab my trusty tweezers. Maybe I can bring a little bit of that warmer brown into here. I can do a black one on Wednesday. I don't know. Wednesday is like my least favorite day, you guys. It's right in the middle of the week. It's like weird because you already are engrossed and stuff. Like, I don't know. Do you have a favorite day of the week and a least favorite day of the week? Please tell me it's Wednesday. And a fun fact about me, my favorite day of the week is actually Monday. I know, surprising. Most of you guys hate Mondays. I get it. I know, but Monday is for me just so full of possibilities. And it's a fresh week. It's like a fresh page in a planner, kind of, right? So there's so many possibilities to do so many things. Oh, this one kind of matches. I'm gonna grab that box. Not really, but kind of. Okay, but yeah, so many possibilities and like so many things going on. So I really do like Mondays a lot. Yeah, just don't call me crazy, you guys. Just don't do that, because I will prove you right, and I might turn into a crazy cycle, you know? But yeah, like I said, Monday is my favorite. Wednesday is probably my least favorite. Yeah, I don't know. Let's place these. So on Sunday, I have a thing. On Saturday, I usually have something going on. On Friday, I usually have something going on. And now I'm gonna play with some pieces and add some things to the spread until they look kind of finished. Maybe I'll start adding like smaller pieces like this and put like, I don't know, to do. Maybe that works. I don't know, kind of weird, but a little bit weird. I'm gonna see what I can add up here. I do want something, and I don't know what it is. I want like a decorational piece. I don't know. Like, it works in my mind, you guys, and then I can't like articulate it. It's so weird. Oh, I could have used these little pill ones. Oh well. I didn't see them, and I could have used these for work too. Oh well. I already did these. So too bad, so sad, right? Okay, so no, I don't want to add those. Let's see if I can add another one from this beautiful collection of, maybe I can add Breathe. Maybe that would look cool. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Let's try adding this and see how it looks. So I'm gonna use my trusty little tape. This is Tombow, in case you guys were wondering. This is the Tombow like Mono Mini correction tape. I really like it because it is not too bright and not too dark. Okay, just breathe. You can't see the just, but that's okay because I can add something there, right? No, maybe. What to do? I'm gonna add a couple little things. Okay, maybe I can add this. You are enough. After I remove the line, yeah. Let's see. I like these sayings a lot. Okay. You are enough. Yeah, I like this a lot. And then these are stars. So let's see if I can find something to add up here. Maybe I can add like few of these little like stars type of things. Let's see. Yeah, that might work. So that'll go there. I think that's good. I like these little like bits and pieces and planners like this. And then let me see if I can add another box of saying up here. Or maybe I'll add another box like where I can write. So I'm gonna add this. I think it's gonna give me more writing space, which I usually need. And I'm gonna add a couple little things up here, and I'm gonna call it a day. But I think this turned out pretty good, and it's such a full spread. Yet again, if you guys know me, you probably know that I love my full spreads. Like, they make me happy, and I think they look great. I'm gonna add a little star up here because why not? Okay. Ooh, there's like bullet points in here too. I missed all kinds of crap in here, I guess, because why not, right? Okay, but let's see. And this is spring break week too, so there's a lot that's going on everywhere. Okay, but I'm gonna maybe add like another gold one somewhere, maybe like here. And I need tiny something for up here because I don't like leaving things untouched. There's a black one that I can add to this cluster. What about if I add it like right here? And then maybe one more to connect all of this. Okay, I think I'm done with this spread. So different from this week's, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back. Let me know what you guys think. It is dark and different. And again, the sticker book I used was called Celestial Elegance. It is from this Happy Planner release. So this was just released in like a week ago. This is from Etsy, and these are from Mojo Jojo, the neutral boxes sticker book. But thank you so much for joining. I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye!